welcome aboard. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey to explore the essential parts and systems of a ship. From the stern to the accommodation block, we'll break down the key components that keep these massive vessels afloat and operational. Let's set sail. We'll start at the rear of the ship, the stern. This area houses some of the most critical components of the vessel. First, the stern frame. This structural component forms the backbone of the ship's rear, providing essential support for the propeller and rudder. It ensures the ship maintains its stability and strength during navigation. Next up is the stern tube, a cylindrical structure that houses the propeller shaft, allowing it to rotate. The stern tube seals are equally important. They prevent water from entering the ship and ensure a watertight barrier, keeping the vessel safe from leaks. The ship's propulsion system relies on the propeller, a rotating blade that pushes the vessel forward, converting the engine's power into thrust to move it through the water. Just behind the propeller, we have the rudder. A flat, vertical surface that plays a crucial role in steering the ship. When the rudder moves, it alters the direction of the water flow, allowing the vessel to change course. Now let's move to the steering gear compartment, which houses the machinery that controls the rudder. It ensures the crew can navigate with precision, guiding the ship safely through rough seas. The steering gear system features hydraulic pumps and motors, enabling precise and smooth rudder control. Nearby, the emergency fire pump stands ready as a crucial safety measure for combating fires in emergencies. Moreover, with a focus on sustainability, many modern ships now utilize hydraulic power packs to operate mooring winches efficiently. Now, let's head into the engine room, the powerhouse of the ship. This is where the main engine and all auxiliary systems work together to keep the vessel operational. Here we have the main engine, generating the power that propels the ship forward. It's the beating heart of the ship, providing the energy needed to cross vast oceans. Alongside the main engine, diesel generators, also many times referred to as auxiliary engines, provide vital electricity for the ship's systems, including lighting, communication, and navigation. They ensure the ship remains functional. Boilers on board generate steam, required for fuel, water heating systems, and powering turbines if installed, ensuring the ship operates smoothly in all conditions. Boilers many times are composite in nature, where waste heat from the main engine exhaust is utilized for generating steam. Pumps are another critical machines on the ship. There are numerous pumps in the engine room used for the fluid transfer in number of systems in the ship. Examples of the pumps are main fire pump for the fire system, ballast pump for the ballast system, main engine lube oil pump for main engine, etc. There might be hardly any system in the engine room which do not include some kind of pump. Other vital components, such as the ship's ventilation systems, fuel filtration, and safety equipment, all work together behind the scenes to ensure the ship runs efficiently and safely. Next, we move to the aft deck, the rear area of the ship, which houses essential systems such as mooring fittings, winches, and the emergency towing arrangement. In an emergency, the aft emergency towing arrangements, ETA, are deployed. These systems are specifically designed to enable the safe towing of other vessels to port when needed. Let's now head to the accommodation block, the area where the crew and passengers live during their time on board. The top level of this block is known as the bridge or wheelhouse, location from where the ship is steered and navigated. Above the accommodation block, you'll see the main mast, which supports various navigation lights. The structure resembles a Christmas tree, with multiple lights, antennas, and communication systems attached. Mounted on the mast are scanner units of main radar systems, S-band and X-band. These help detect other ships, obstacles, and weather conditions, ensuring safe navigation even in challenging conditions. Let's not forget the horn, a vital signaling device, or the satellite sea antenna, which ensures seamless communication with the outside world, regardless of the ship's distance from land. Additionally, the ship's flags, representing the country and current operations, are prominently displayed at the top of the mast. On the compass deck, a top deck on the accommodation block, you'll find the magnetic compass, essential for steering the ship in the right direction. The deck also holds various antennas and the VDR capsule, which records crucial data for navigation. Towards the back of the ship, the funnel casing houses the exhaust pipes. These pipes vent smoke and gases from the engine room, ensuring the ship runs efficiently while keeping the air inside engine room breathable. At the stern, you'll find various tanks, including fuel tanks, lube oil tanks, and fresh water tanks. These provide the necessary resources to keep the ship running and ensure the crew has the essentials they need. Also at the stern, there is one ballast tank called aft peak tank, which helps maintain the ship's stability, as well as waste oil tanks and bilge tanks that collect wastewater. Lastly, cofferdams are vital barriers, ensuring the separation of tanks and machinery. From stern to bridge, every part of a ship is designed to work together to ensure smooth sailing. Whether it's propulsion, navigation, or safety, these systems play a vital role in keeping the ship on course. Thanks for joining us on this tour of a ship's critical components. Until next time, stay safe on the seas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to learn more about the maritime world. See you in the next video.